Yes, hello children, how are you all? Hope you are all doing good. So in the last class we have discussed about how does coal formed and what are the uses of coal. So today we are going to learn about the petroleum. Okay. How do vehicles running today? Yeah, with the help of petrol and diesel. Some vehicles are using petrol alone. Okay. Where do you get the petrol? Yes, we get petrol and diesel from the oceans. Okay, so diesel is a thing which we are getting as a byproduct of petrol only. Okay, so usually it will be formed in the oceans. Okay, it will be formed in the oceans. See, long ago, there would be a sea living organisms. They have died and deposited on the bottom of the ocean. Then after a million years later, it got buried under the soil with the clay, sand, rocks, etc. And later, 1 million years later, it got, due to high pressure and temperature, it got transformed into the dead buried sea living organisms got transformed into petroleum and gas. Okay, so you can take a petroleum and gas from the oceans with the help of pipes from the wells. Okay, so the place where we can take petroleum and gas or wells, petroleum wells, and okay, clear, you can take with the help of pipes. And oil and gas are not lighter than water, so it will not mix. So from this picture you can find there is a formation of petroleum and gas in the rocks under the ocean, under the rocks. Okay, so it has, even the rocks has water, oil, gas. Oil and gas do not mix with water, so they can easily, you can take with the help of pipes. Okay, yes, now we have taken the petroleum. Then petroleum, while fractional distillating, while separating the components, the process of separating various constituents or fractions of petroleum is called refining. So when you heat the petroleum at a different temperature, you can get so many products like kerosene, naphthalene balls, wax, and many more, diesel, many more products. Okay, so the separating various products from the petroleum by distillation is called refining. Okay, it can be done in petro refineries. The place where we are doing refining the petroleum is called refineries. Okay, clear? So while heating petrol at different temperatures, you can get many more products like diesel, kerosene, wax, bitumen, many products. Okay, the place where we are separating is called refineries. Okay, clear? Yes. So the petroleum is a source by which we can get many petrochemical products. Petroleum is a product by which we can get many products. So it is a source of many products. So it is called black gold. Okay, many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. These are termed as petrochemicals. So whatever product we are getting separating from the petroleum, they are called petrochemicals. These are used in the manufacture of detergents, fibers, polyester, nylon and acrylic, polythene and man-made plastics. Hydrogen gas obtained from natural gas is used in production of fertilizers. Due to its high grade commercial importance, petroleum is also called as black gold. So can you understand now why it is black gold? Because every products are using for some purposes, even in the making man-made plastic, nylon, fibers and detergents, even in the gas, hydrogen gas can be used for producing fertilizers. Okay, so this is the diagram that, see here, the petroleum is heated under different temperatures. You can see at the the 340 degrees Celsius, you are getting bitumen and fuel oil that will be used for making coal, putting tar for coal for roads, coal tar for roads. And yeah, in 270 degrees Celsius you are getting diesel, it will be used for running many vehicles. And 170 degrees Celsius you are getting kerosene, and 120 degrees Celsius you are getting naphthalene balls to repel insects, and 70 degrees Celsius you are getting petrol used for fuel as a in cause, and the gas that comes out for is used as a fuel of cooking gas. Okay, so this is what about a petroleum. We have learnt about the petroleum and how does it form and what are the products we got from distillation. Okay, yes. See, constituents of petroleum. What are the products we are getting? What are the uses of it? Petroleum gas in liquid form, LPG. We already know it is a fuel for home and industry for cooking process. Okay. Petrol, motor fuel, aviation fuel, solvent for dry cleaning. See, if you use for dry cleaning cloths, some people will use petrol to remove the stains and for cleaning. Kerosene, in olden days we have used for fuel for stoves, lamps and jet aircrafts. And diesel, fuel for diesel அப்படினாவே it is a large பெரிய பெரிய வண்டிகளுக்கு மட்டும் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. So you can take fuel for heavy motor vehicles, electric generators. Even some people, nowadays UPS is available. In olden days we have used generators. For that the fuel is diesel. Lubricating oil, which will be used for lubrication for engines. To operate the engine smoothly, they will use lubricating oils. Okay, and paraffin wax, it will be used for oilments and candles and vaselines. Have you ever touched the candle and vaseline, children? It is so soft. It is the paraffin wax. Bitumen, it is used for making paints and road surfacing. Road surfacing, on the buildings we can use it for making paints, and for roads we can use as a furnishing road surfacing like a coal tar. Okay, children.